With Bitcoin back over $31,000, this is the crypto news for July 23rd, 2021, and I'm your host, Crypto Bo. Crypto Twitter is buzzing after Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Cathie Wood spoke at length about Bitcoin and crypto on Wednesday. Highlights included Elon Musk looking annoyed while leaning back to drink water and explaining that he holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, and unsurprisingly Dogecoin. Jack Dorsey mansplaining why Bitcoin is an essentially green technology to Elon Musk after Cathie Wood says exactly the same thing, and Jack Dorsey claiming that Bitcoin is the key to world peace.
My hope is that it creates world peace or helps create world peace.
The markets reacted positively to this exercise in Rich-splaining the world's problems away. In less positive news, New Jersey and Alabama regulators came down hard on BlockFi this week, issuing cease and desist orders to the company who they claim is offering unregistered securities in the form of interest-bearing crypto accounts. BlockFi responded saying that they are in talks with the New Jersey regulators and that no one in Alabama is smart enough to own Bitcoin anyway. This is likely just the opening salvo in a renewed push for regulation that policymakers have hinted at, with Crypto.com and Nexo as likely future targets. Coming on the heels of similar comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, SEC Chair Gary Gensler said before the American Bar Association this week, quote, "It doesn't matter whether it's a stock token, a stable value token backed by securities, or any other virtual product that provides synthetic exposure to the underlying securities." He continued, "These platforms, whether in the decentralized or centralized finance space, are impacted by the securities laws and must work within our securities regime. Love them or hate them, the regulatory fight is coming to the crypto space, and we best be prepared." On that note, one of the best defenses in this fight will be decentralization, and Eric Voorhees over at Shapeshift is trying to get ahead of the curve. Last week, Voorhees announced that Shapeshift, a chain-agnostic token swap platform, will be making the transition to a fully decentralized governance model that will be conducting a liquidity mine until October 31st. If you want in on the airdrop, then go watch the video I put out on Wednesday showing you how to get involved using Uniswap and MetaMask. That's all the news this week. Leave us a like and think about subscribing for more news, views, and analysis. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.